In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the height of bars in Gantt chart in Microsoft Project 2016. If your Gantt bars look too thin to read comfortably or too thick to fit enough tasks on the screen, you can quickly adjust their height using a built-in layout setting. This change is purely visual, so it won't affect any task data, dates, or durations, only how the bars appear on your chart. First, make sure you're actually looking at a Gantt chart. In Microsoft Project 2016, the Gantt chart is the standard task view that shows your task list on the left and the timeline bars on the right. If you're in a different view, such as a resource view or a table-only view, switch to Gantt chart so the formatting tools you need will appear. Once the Gantt chart is active, look up to the ribbon and go to the Format tab. This tab is context-sensitive, which means it only appears when a Gantt-style view is selected. If you don't see Format, that's a sign you're not in the right view yet, so switch to Gantt chart and it will show up. Inside the Format tab, find and click the Layout button. This opens the layout dialog for the Gantt chart, where Microsoft Project groups several display options that affect how the chart looks. We'll focus on the control labeled bar height. In the layout dialog, look for the bar height dropdown. This setting is measured in points. A larger point size will make each Gantt bar taller and more prominent. A smaller point size will make them thinner and more compact. Choose a size that balances readability with how many tasks you need to see on screen. If you often present your plan on a projector or high-resolution monitor, a slightly larger height can make a big difference. If you're printing or working with many parallel tasks, a slimmer height can help you fit more information without excessive scrolling. After you've selected the height you want, click OK to apply the change. You'll see the bars update according to your selection. Again, this only changes the visual thickness of the bars. It won't modify any task properties. If the bars don't seem to change after you adjust the height, double-check that you're truly in the Gantt chart view rather than a variant like Tracking Gantt or a custom view. Switch back to Gantt chart and try again. If it still looks the same, close and reopen the view before adjusting. Switch temporarily to another view and then back to Gantt chart to refresh the display.